Y'all, this has to be the best film emulation camera to come out yet. I'm not talking about that Fuji X100V. I'm talking about the Fuji X100VI. Okay, let's stop calling it Fuji X100V. Okay, hey, it's ready to get to work, okay? I don't know, I didn't mean to make you mad though. Like, it's still about you. Today's just about the Fuji X100VI. So let's start calling it the Fuji X100V since, you know, it's kind of like VI. I'm not about to be saying that it's Fuji X100VI and Fuji X100V. The 5 and the 6. So the 5 has been a pleasure to work with. The 5, I think I made a video on this in YouTube. I have terrible memory, I don't remember. And I'll probably keep making videos about the Fuji because the Fuji is just something that you just cannot stop talking about, okay? Like, this camera is phenomenal. Bro, when I tell you this camera has done wonders without even editing, without even touching Lightroom. I didn't even click Lightroom. Like, bro, some of the photos that I had posted on my IG are straight off of this camera, right? I archived a lot of stuff, so don't go look right now. But if y'all do want to see it, you know, I'll post them on this video. You know, they'll be playing throughout the video while I'm talking. But I seen the review with Valendez today, and Valendez had posted a YouTube video just basically saying and explaining his thoughts on the new Fuji X100VI. And I think he said he had the camera for some time now, since November. A lot of people had got early access to the camera to test it out, and he had went to Tokyo and Colombia, I think he said, or whatever, and he took some really nice photos. I mean, Valendez is phenomenal at taking pictures anyways. That's what he does. He also named some things that I was very excited for. Like, some things that I was excited for about the Fuji X100VI, bro, is, first of all, the upgrade from this is IBIS. IBIS, bro, that was the thing that I was very excited for, but I'm not probably gonna get the Fuji X100VI, okay? I was very excited about IBIS. I was very excited about, you could record F-Log 6.2K, 10-bit 422. Bro, this camera is like 8-bit something. 8-bit 420, I don't know. But the pictures out of this, I'm not really sure what the megapixels are either. Like I say, I'm not no spec person, but the megapixels I'm pretty sure are very high because you can zoom in and still not lose quality. I think I already said all the pros. The pros were basically, 1, 10-bit 422, 2, F-Log and shoot in 6.2K, and 3, IBIS. Like, video is probably going to be phenomenal on this camera, and it's probably going to be the best thing ever for vloggers, I guess, you know. Now, I want to keep this video short, and I want to say, would I trade my camera in to get the new Fuji X100VI? Probably not. A lot of people just want to get their hands on new gear, and I used to be that person too, but it's not that anymore. Because at the end of the day, it's all about how you use it in your skill set, and every camera is just a tool. And I had to learn that I'm just throwing money away at this point, you know what I'm saying? Just buying cameras like over and over and over for no reason. I mean, I'm thinking about selling my red Komodo, to be really honest with y'all. Like, I mean, I really don't use it, it's collecting dust. Then again, I am in Atlanta. I'm new here, I just moved here, so, you know, I'm trying to build my clientele up. So I'm trying to hold on to it until I get some motion going. But if I don't get no motion going in between 1 to 2 years, then, you know, keep watching my page. I might be selling my red Komodo. You could really produce some beautiful things out of any camera, as long as you're just, as long as you just have the creativity and the skill, you can create anything with any camera. Should you upgrade? If you have the money, go ahead. I'm not here to tell you what you can and can't do. If you have the money, go ahead, do it. So that's really all I wanted to talk about on this video today, y'all. I'm gonna try to keep being more consistent on these videos and talk about more equipment and how it works and what images can produce out of these cameras. As you guys know, I have a Sony FX30, my newest edition. I have a Canon R5 and I have a red Komodo, and now, you know, I have the Fuji X100V. I will be doing way more reviews on these and stuff like that. Not spec reviews, but reviews as in if you want to come watch it and see what you could possibly create with it, then, you know, come chill at the channel. Come chill in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to hear. If you want to see more specs, hey, comment and let me know, you know, because I'm not just going to do it by myself. I'm not going to lie. I hate doing homework. It just feels like homework. You know what I'm saying? But the whole point of this channel is just to have fun, be yourself, and create. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate you for coming to watch. Peace.